Welcome in second part, the milkman of India. My dear students, on that day we had started this lesson as well as in our last video we had seen that on 13 May 1949 Kurian landed in Anand, and when he just landed in Anand, so that times how was that situation? Because he did not settle properly at that place. So that's why he just took a decision. He will stay in a garage. And what kind of he just managed himself, that also we just discuss in that last or in our previous video. As well as at that times Anand met one person. He was a clever businessman. His name is Pestonji Idolji. See, he was the owner of Paulson Dairy, and at that times Pestonji was selling product at higher price and paying the farmer less for their produce or product. At the times what happened? पेस्टुंजी इडुलजी एक क्लेवर और शार्प माइंडेड बिजनेसमैन था. वो क्या करते थे कि फार्मर से सामान लेते थे, चाहे वो दूध हो व्हाटएवर, वो कम दामों में लेते थे और इधर हायर प्राइस मतलब उनसे कई गुना ज़्यादा महंगे दामों में बेचते थे. देन वर्गीस कुरियन वॉज टच बाय द plight of the farmers. Inspired by Tribhuvandas Patel, the leader of the farmers, Kurian gave idea about helping farmers from their own milk cooperatives. He even helped them in the selection of machinery. However, unhappy with his job, Kurian wanted to get out of Anand as quickly as possible. So at the time what happened here? उस वक्त क्या हुआ था? हमारे ऑथर कुरियन को ये बात पता चल गई थी. So at that times Kurian give them some suggestions, some ideas, and he just give some ideas. You have to make your own milk and just be a cooperative. As well as if they want to purchase machinery, if they means कौन? Farmer. अगर किसी भी फार्मर को मशीनरीज को परचेस करना है, खरीदना है, तो हमारे ऑथर कुरियन क्या करते थे? उनकी सहायता करते थे, उनको सजेस्ट करते थे मशीनरी के बारे में. As type he was unhappy with his job, and at that time he just thought that I wanted to escape from his side or from this side. उन्होंने सोच लिया था कि यहाँ से हमें अभी जल्दी निकल के जाना है, निकलना है यहाँ से, हमें यहाँ से निकलना है जल्दी. Then there was another person, Tribhuvandas Patel. He met him also. हमारे ऑथर उनके साथ भी मिले, त्रिभुवनदास पटेल. He was a farmer leader and really he was a good man. See, by the end of 1949 he was all set and eager to pack off to Mumbai, but that did not happen. और 1949 के एंड में क्या हुआ? Our author was eager, excited. Why? Because he wants to go at Mumbai. उनको मुंबई को जाना है. But it did not happen. But ये ऐसा नहीं हो पाया. क्यों? त्रिभुवनदास पटेल requested Kurian to stay back. His simple plea was, we need you here. So त्रिभुवनदास पटेल ने उनको एक रिक्वेस्ट की. उन्होंने कहा कि आप कहीं पे भी मत जाइए, आपकी हमें ज़रूरत है. Then Kurian accepted Tribhuvandas Patel's suggestion and joined the Kaira cooperative as a general manager in 1950. So when Tribhuvandas Patel requested him, don't go anywhere, we need you here. So finally Kurian accepted Tribhuvandas Patel's suggestion and request, and he joined the Kaira cooperative as their general manager बन गए. In 1950, 1950 में वो जनरल मैनेजर बन गए. He never regretted that decision. अब जब उन्होंने वो डिसीजन ले लिया था यहीं पे रुकना है, तो उन्हें कभी भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मैंने ये डिसीजन गलत लिया है वगैरह वगैरह. Then Verghese Kurian worked with a simple vision to help farmers so that they could control their resources and not be exploited by middlemen. So when he has joined there, so that times he had one simple vision. He wants to just cooperate to farmers, help to farmers, and he wants to increase their sources, earning sources. It was a simple vision of our author, Dr. Verghese Kurian. On 15 November 1954, the first president of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, laid the foundation for the dairy plant at Anand, the world's first plant to manufacture milk powder from buffalo milk. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru inaugurated this plant in October 1955. Let's see, on 15 November 1954, there was our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He visited there, and it was the first plant of India. It was the first dairy of our India. In that dairy, in that plant, they are going to make milk powder from buffalo milk. Milk powder from buffalo milk. And in October 1955, there was our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He inaugurated that plant. Now, the Kaira cooperative now needed to focus on proper advertising and branding. A chemist at the Kaira laboratory suggests the name Amul, which is derived from the Sanskrit word Amulya, meaning priceless. So there was one person in Kaira district, in Anand village, from that plant, they derived और they suggest one name. That name was अमूल. वो अमूल नाम उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया. अब ये अमूल क्या है? जो आज आप अमूल का अमूल चीज़, अमूल बटर, अमूल जैम, अमूल मिल्क, ये जो कुछ भी आप प्रोडक्ट खरीदते हो, ये सारे जो प्रोडक्ट है ये इन्हीं के हैं, इसी कंपनी के हैं, है ना, जो आनंद से होकर आते हैं, जो आनंद से होकर आते हैं. And what is the name or what is the meaning of Amul? Amul, that is a Sanskrit word. Amulya means priceless. It means that priceless, as well as it also stood as an acronym for Anand Milk Union Limited. Anand Milk Union Limited. That all words, they took a first alphabet. Anand A, Milk M, Union U, Limited L. It become Amul. It become Amul, right? And now Amul was formally registered in 1957. 1957 में Amul ये एक brand registered हो गया. Amul grew from strength to strength thanks to the inspired leadership of Tribhuvandas Patel, the founder, chairman, and the committed professionalism of Dr. Verghese Kurian. After that, when that company registered with name of Amul, so at that time that company is day by day is going to add growth. And after that, that company, that people, that Dr. Verghese Kurian or Tribhuvandas Patel never see a backside. उन्होंने कभी पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखा. Then the Amul pattern established itself as an ideal model for rural development, and it played an essential role in the lives of women farmers, making them economically independent. As well as Amul, that company, वो कंपनी जो भी खेड़े गांव के महिला थे, villages women, they provide them earning sources. How? Because they were buy milk from that woman, from that villagers, and instead of that milk, company will pay their money or pay them money. So it means that they are finding resources or sources of earning money, and really if they will getting money, so their financial conditions become change or become a strong. Now in 1946, sorry, in 1964, sorry, in 1964, when the then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri visit at Amul in Anand, he was impressed by the way Amul was sourcing milk from farmers and helping them improve their economic condition. Lal Bahadur Shastri asked Dr. Kurian to replicate the Amul model. So what happened after that? After some time, the second prime minister of our India, Lal Bahadur Shastri, when visit him, when in 1964, so that times he was very impressed. How? Because he just know that Amul plant, Amul company, it is going to purchase, buy milk from villagers, and really it is changing farmers life, villagers life, that villagers going to become a financially strong. That's why he was happy and impressed. Now at that time he just given a suggestion, just spread your business all over the country, across the country. The team worked out that he government would need to go give around 650 crore rupees for the initiative. The state authorities immediately rejected the plan, even though the Amul brand was registered. Dr. Varghese Kurian now wanted to be sure that there was an advertising agency to promote the brand. In 1966, Slipster the Chunav of advertising and sales promotion. That person name was Slipster Chunav. Means what that? After that, डॉक्टर वर्गीस कुरियन फोकस ऑन हिज एडवर्टाइजमेंट. अभी उन्होंने उनके एडवर्टाइजमेंट पर फोकस किया कि हमारे कंपनी का भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट होना चाहिए, है ना. आपने या फिर आपके मम्मी पापा ने अमूल की बहुत सारी एडवर्टाइजमेंट सुनी होगी, देखी होगी, है ना. वो बहुत सारे जो बोलते हैं अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया, है ना, अमूल बटर का मुन्ना पैक इससे क्या पाएगा, है ना. इस टाइप से जो ऐड थी, वो ऐड इन्होंने बनाना शुरू कर दिया. क्या कब? 1966 में. देन ही मीन्स स्लीवस्टर चुना. स्लीवस्टर चुना एक पर्सन थे जो ऐड बना कर देते थे, एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते थे. दैट टाइम्स ही एंड हिज वाइफ केम अप विद द टैगलाइन अटरली बटरली डिलीशियस अमूल. ये एक टैगलाइन था उनके ऐड का. इवन दो द वर्ड बटरली सीम्स डाउटफुल बिकॉज इट वॉज अनग्रामेटिकल, it worked for the brand. The country saw the birth of campaign the continue to charm all till date. तो उस दिन से उनकी ऐड शुरू हो गई, एडवर्टाइजमेंट शुरू हो गई, और तब से लेकर अभी तक वो कंपनी अभी भी क्या कर रही है? ग्रोथ में ही जा रही है, ग्रोथ में ही जा रही है. ठीक है. देन when the first few ad appeared in Bombay, now Mumbai. मुंबई को पहले बॉम्बे बोला जाता था, मुंबई को पहले बॉम्बे बोला जाता था, अभी मुंबई कहते हैं. देन एवरीवन फाउंड द एड्स वेरी क्यूट. द एडवर्टाइजमेंट वाज अ विनर. और सबसे पहले 3-4 एडवर्टाइजमेंट मुंबई में, मतलब बॉम्बे में क्या हुई? शो हो गई. एंड एट द टाइम्स ऑल पीपल्स लाइक इट वेरी मच. The Amul girls, with her clever catchphrases and her love for butter, is one of the most famous mascot Indian advertising has seen. अभी एक दूसरी ऐड बनाई जिसमें एक लड़की दिखाई गई थी और उसमें बताया गया था कि उस लड़की को बटर बहुत ही पसंद है, और उसका एक स्लोगन भी दिया था उसमें. सिम्बॉल्स, स्लोगन्स, ये सब सिम्बॉल स्लोगन, ये उनका प्रोक्लामेशन बनाकर एक ऐड बनाई थी, और उसमें ऐसा दिखाया गया था कि उस लड़की को बटर बहुत पसंद है और वो खाती है. किसका? अमूल बटर ही खाती है. एज टाइप ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट सबसे पहले देखी गई थी इंडिया के लोगों ने. और ये कुछ नया लगा, कुछ हटके सा दिखा, क्योंकि ये शुरुआत थी 1966 की। उस वक्त कलर टीवीज़ नहीं थे, समझ रहे हो? उस वक्त कलर टीवीज़ नहीं थे, और जिनके पास भी टीवी थी वो ब्लैक एंड वाइट थी, और वो भी बहुत रेयर थी। एंड एट दैट टाइम्स देयर वाज एडवर्टाइजमेंट। सो दैट टाइम्स, उस वक्त हमारा इंडिया डेवलपिंग के तरफ थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी कन्वर्ट हो रहा था। नाउ around the year 1968, there was surplus production of milk in the European countries, so much so that they had no clue what to do with the surplus milk. Dr. Kurian realized that there was an opportunity. अभी यूरोपियन कंपनी में या फिर यूरोपियन में उन लोगों को पता नहीं था कि उस पाउडर के साथ क्या किया जाता है, या फिर सरप्लस मिल्क के साथ क्या किया जाता है। सो एट दैट टाइम्स डॉक्टर कुरियन थॉट दैट वी हैव टू टेक अपॉर्चुनिटी, हमें इसका सही फायदा उठाना चाहिए। देन दैट ईयर एट द वर्ल्ड फूड प्रोग्राम, डॉक्टर कुरियन प्लीडेड द country to donate this surplus milk to India. Dr. Kurian stressed that he would sell the milk at the regular price in India and use the earnings to repeat the Amul model throughout the country. Impressed by Kurian plans, they agreed to his proposal and corporation flowed. Now, my dear students, I hope you just understood this much. Next portion we will continue in next video.